in linear integrated circuits, we'll be having operational amplifier, and now we are going to see the basic applications of operational amplifier. So operational amplifier was designed to do mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, integration, and comparison. So for each of these mathematical operation, there will be a different kind of operational amplifier circuit. So for the addition, there is summer or adder circuit. So input impedance of this circuit is extremely large, and more than one input is applied in the inverting amplifier. The output of the circuit will be the addition of the all applied input signals. Depending upon the signal of the input, the summer are classified as inverting summer and non-inverting summer. So this is the op amp, and we'll be having a negative and positive terminal, and the negative terminal is called inverting terminal and positive is called non-inverting terminal. If we give the input voltages in inverting terminal, then it is called, the circuit is called inverting summer, and summer is nothing but the circuit which produces the sum of the inputs. So this is a circuit diagram. We give three inputs, VA, VB, and VC, and we have three resistance for them as well, RA, RB, and RC, and the current through them is given as I1, I2, and I3. So the voltage at the input negative, that is non-inverting terminal, inverting terminal, is given as V2, and non-inverting terminal, the voltage is given as V1. And we have RF, which is feedback resistance, and this is connected from the output to the non-inverting input. Then we have I1, I2, and I3, which are the currents through these three different voltages input, and the output is given as V0 by RF. RF is the feedback resistance, and VA, VB, and VC are three inputs, and RA, RB, and RC are respective resistance. And V0 is given as RF by RA into VA, and RF by RB into VB, and RF by RC into VC, which is RF by the resistance of A into voltage of A, and plus RF by resistance of B into voltage of B, plus RF by resistance of C into voltage of C. If in the circuit RA, RB, and RC are equal to R, then the output voltage is simplified as RF by R into VA plus VB plus VC. And if RF is equal to R, which makes this RF by R is equal to 1, which makes the VA out is equal to negative of VA, VB, and VA plus VB plus VC. And the negative sign is given because of we are applying the input voltages in inverting terminal. And based on the value of RF and R, the circuit may be acting as scaling or average. So if you want to get an output of scaling, which is 3 times the sum of the input voltages, then RF by R ratio should be equal to 3. And if you want to just add, then the ratio should be equal to 1. Then if you want to get an average of three inputs, then RF by R should be equal to 1 by 3. Then we have non-inverting summer amplifier, and in this the input voltages are given in positive terminal, and the negative terminal is connected to ground, and we have two resistance connected in the inverting terminal, R-1 and R-F. R-F is the feedback resistance, and same like in inverting summer, we have 3 voltages and 3 resistances accordingly, and here the resistances are taken as RA equal to RB equal to RC equal to R. They are equal, and here they are deriving the equation for the output voltage by using KCL at node V1. V1 is the non-inverting terminal, and through that we'll be getting the V output as 1 plus RF by R1 into V1. And if RA, RB and RC all are equal to R is equal to R2 RF by 2, which is the feedback resistance by 2, then we'll be getting the output as 3 into VA plus VB plus VC, which will 1 plus 2R by R, which is 3 into VA plus VB plus VC. The output will be the sum of the voltages into the 3, which is scaling into the input voltages are scaled 3 times.